Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a topic that can become a breakthrough for your business: third-party API integration. If you're building apps, running a business, or just curious about how technology makes everything so seamless, this one's for you. So, what's the deal with third-party APIs? In simple terms, APIs, or application programming interfaces, are like bridges that connect different software systems. A third-party API is one created by another company that you can integrate into your app or system to add features without building them from scratch. Think of all the apps you use daily. The payment button powered by PayPal, the map that helps you find a store, or even that chatbot answering your questions. Most of these features are made possible by third-party APIs. Let's break down why they're such a big deal. First of all, they save time and resources. Imagine building a payment gateway or a weather forecasting system from scratch. It's time-consuming and expensive. With APIs, you can plug in ready-made solutions, skipping months of development and saving money. That means your team can focus on what makes your app unique instead of reinventing the wheel. They also expand your features instantly. Need real-time location tracking? Want to add social media logins? With APIs, it's as easy as integrating code. They give you access to advanced functionalities that might otherwise be out of reach for your team. Think of it as supercharging your app without adding extra complexity. Next on the big deal list is improving user experience. Users love convenience, and APIs help you deliver that. Imagine integrating Google Maps for navigation or Stripe for quick and easy payments. These integrations make your app feel polished, professional, and easy to use, which keeps users coming back. Another benefit is easy scaling. As your business grows, so do your needs. The beauty of APIs is their scalability. Need to handle more transactions? APIs like AWS or Twilio are built to grow with you, so you're never stuck with outdated solutions. Finally, there are some of the most important perks: security and compliance. APIs provided by trusted third parties often come with built-in security and compliance features. Instead of worrying about encryption or data privacy laws, you can rely on these providers to handle the heavy lifting, keeping your app safe and compliant. So whether you're a startup looking to launch quickly or an established business wanting to level up, third-party APIs are an invaluable tool. They save time, cut costs, and make your app or system more competitive, all without the headache of building everything yourself. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions about APIs or want to share your own experiences, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech insights. See you next time.